Tatoona's back. I missed you guys super duper much. Today, I have a tiny little announcement. My birthday is really close, and plus, today I'm going to be making the most satisfying video in the world. I hope you get satisfied and enjoy it with me. Duh. Because I'm also going to get satisfied. Let's get down to the video. Shoot. Satisfaction. Satisfying. I hope you guys are getting satisfied. Because this is satisfying. Super satisfying. I know some of you might be disgusted by the color of my slime, but like, come on. It's satisfying, okay? Satisfying. Yay! Okay, I'm done with the slime. Now for the tiny little slimes. Okay. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I like this green one. It's like grass, and plus it's stretchy. Really cool. Especially this yellow one because it's like cheese, and I like cheese. So yeah. And plus it's stretchy. Oh god, no, it's not that stretchy, but yeah. Now we got my favorite colors saved for last. Pink. Very nice. A very beautiful color. And this light pink one, and last but not least will be the purple. Let's just continue with this one. Light pink one, my most favorite color. And last but not least, purple. Not really that stretchy, but satisfying. Okay, I guess that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Love you guys.